Hello guys! I will teach you how to find your PI passphrase. So, we go to our apps PI browser. Okay, we just wait. Okay, tap our wallet. Then, unlock with fingerprint. Kung meron kayong fingerprint, okay, unlock. That's the best kung ang cellphone nyo ay may fingerprint. Yan ang isang pinaka the best na meron sa cellphone nyo. Dapat meron kayo